Monday, April 27th, and starting to really melt out there. Cat is checking everything out, and he was just supervising the dogs outside. Dad and Aidan are doing a little welding here. Looks like they might be building the bumper. And is this the bumper plate or? Okay. Oh, okay. Let's look at that. So the front stump pan's already in, and I thought they were going to build the pot there, but I guess not. And they would have been working on this all day, but that's a brand new plate underneath, and the customer indicated they don't want to go with the checkerboard plate. Oh wow, wow.
And the guy just body puttied right over top. You see this?
Wow.
So
That's got to come
we
right
gotta
down.
put a plate in behind.
Okay. Why did we not put the pot in down there?
The what?
The pot for the diff. Oh, cut out after. Okay.
We're gonna put the floor in first.
Okay.
I know where it should be, and I'll make a ring like this,
Okay.
that high,
Yeah.
tap it, and
Okay.
set it in
So I was told Dad last night the customer doesn't want the checkerboard plate, so we're just going to keep on going here, or these guys are going to keep on going.
there.
There's some more scraping out here. It looks a little better up there, but this is right through here.
Yeah, stage 4.
Wow. So this is kind of one of those buyer beware things, guys. Might look pretty when you guys are buying it, but you really have to inspect it because you don't know what you're buying. And there was a machine that looked like this, came in the shop a couple years ago, and it was a lot of hiding as well. So they done a couple test holes here. There's a hole there. That's just a drill hole, but all that's got to be either put a plate in behind here, or it's got to be welded. But I think they're going to find a lot more of this as they keep on going. Like if we had to cut that whole chunk out, I would suspect that there's more chunks like that. There's still that hole in the front, I think, if I remember correctly. Where do they fill that in? It was a hole somewhere up here. Maybe they got that filled in already. But yeah, never know what's going on. But I think this is the way to go, guys. I mentioned it a few times on a few videos. Strip her right down, find out what you're doing, rebuild it right back up. Because then this way you know what you've got and what you got to do. So a couple more tests here, I see. Right here, that's burned right through. Couple tests here, that's a lot of Bondo. That's good. That's pretty thick up there. You can still see all that chip paint's got to come out. What else do we got here? At least looks fine. Yeah, you don't know until you start tearing it all apart, but the fact that they got this floor in is it's a lot of effort there. Was it hard spinning it around, or?
No, it went really easy.
Good.
I made a little kind of sled thing to go on top of the jack.
Oh yeah, okay, that makes sense.
So we just loaded the sheet on there and started at the back, got everything square.
Okay.
And you can see my little alignment lines here. We were pretty
Okay.
much dead square the whole way,
Oh, good.
except the frame is a little bit bent here. You can see it wanders over.
Oh, okay.
So that's not
Negligible.
Wouldn't
Okay.
write home about it.
Okay, well,
And the next sheet will be
yeah.
next sheet will go in even easier. It's just one whole square sheet.
Okay.
You just butt up to that one.
Yeah.
Weld a brace over the
Are
joint.
you planning to hope to get that done tomorrow, or what's
Yeah.
the deal? Yeah.
Yeah, tomorrow.
Was it easier to do all this work with the big door open so you didn't gas yourself out today, or?
Yep.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah. Okay, so that's it, guys. There's nothing else really to report. The guys are still got stuff all over the place, and they're going to continue grinding here. So that's it. End of day. End of day treats. I fed Filipino Emily, but she only ate about half a bowl. So damn skinny, that dog of mine. But Mila, she's cleaning it up. Our knucklehead Yeti is in the snowbank. Charles in charge is in the doghouse. And Nina Pinta Santa Maria wants to eat her treats outside with the rest of the gang. What's wrong? Are you unloved? Strongly unloved, eh? Emily's over here. Everybody else is just terrorizing you, eh?